In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Skool community. Before we get started, it's important to understand that deleting your community is tied to cancelling your Skool subscription. Once you do this, your community will no longer be active, so make sure this is really what you want before you follow along. If you need to keep any content, member lists, or important posts, take a moment to back those up first. Let's begin by heading over to the Skool website in your browser. Open a new tab and go to Skool's main page. Once you're there, look for the Login button, usually at the top right of the screen, and click it. Sign in using your usual account details. If you have multiple accounts or profiles, make sure you choose the one that actually owns the community you want to delete. After you're logged in, look for your community dropdown. This is typically found near the top of the page, often showing the current community name or an icon. Click that dropdown to see a list of all the communities you're part of. From that list, select the specific community you want to delete. Take a second to double-check you're choosing the correct one, especially if you manage several communities. Once you're inside the correct community, look for the Settings option. This is usually in the main navigation area or along the top. Click on Settings to open your community configuration panel. Here you'll see different sections for managing things like members, appearance, and other options. Within Settings, find and click on the Billing section. This is where Skool manages payments and subscriptions for your community. In the billing area, look for a button or link that says Manage Subscription and click that. This will open your subscription management page. On this page, you should see an option to cancel subscription. Click on Cancel Subscription to start the process. Skool will usually ask you for a reason before you finalize the cancellation. Type in your reason honestly and clearly in the space provided. This feedback can help improve the platform, but it doesn't need to be long. After entering your reason, look for the final button that confirms your choice, typically labeled Cancel Subscription. Click that to complete the cancellation. Once this is done, your community will be cancelled, and you'll see information about the cancellation, along with an option to reactivate the community if you change your mind later.